Oriri bururi uthiete na mbere kuhahurwo ni riboti cia ati cukari utakinyaniire ikiro cia kuhuthirwo ni muingi ukoretwo ukiendio matuka-ini kwa ihinda. Ruhonge rwa kuungania igoti bururi-ini KRA ni rwiyehereirie mahitia mothe kumana na kurekererio gwa cukari uyu kuma thitoo cia thirikari, kuria waigitwo kuma mwaka wa 2018 riria wanirirwo ta gukorwo ri muthuku ni ruhonge rwa kuramata wagiriru wa indo rwa KEBS.
But for us, as far as we're concerned, when the custom seal says this was going to Vinepack, we delivered it in Vinepack. So again, as part of the multi-agencies, there are many multi-agencies coming now to ensure that then there is a distillation into the industrial ethanol as is expected. So at that point, then KRA steps back.
Akiaria riria gwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie mateta ma muingi, Murugamiriri munene wa ihinda wa KRA Risper Simiyu augite kamiti ya hamwe iria yaramataga cukari ucio ri thitoo-ini cia thirikari niyo yendekithirie ucenjio na gutuo ithano handu-ini ha guthukangio ta uria KEBS yendekithitie, na hau niho KRA yaingiriire niguo kurugamirira uthamia wa cukari ucio kuma thitoo cia thirikari nginya cia kambuni ya Vinepack mwena wa Thika.
From the port, again, this was released by the multi-agency, but in this particular case, the argument from KRA was if it is being distilled into industrial ethanol, it means it is a raw material. So like every other party who brings in a raw material, they pay the necessary duty. And for us, our role there was, has this duty been paid for?
Kuringana na Simiyu, mutaratara wothe wathire wega nginya gukinyio gwa cukari ucio thitoo-ini cia kambuni ino ya Vinepack mwena wa Thika. No indi kambuni ino ya Vinepack igicenjia murugamo wayo na akiuga ndiari na thitoo cia kuigana cia kuiga cukari ucio, undu uria mataugite mbere ya cukari ucio rutitwo thitoo cia thirikari niguo maratathi macenjio ma kuria cukari ucio wari utwarwo.
Now, when the goods arrive, remember our seal, the custom seal, says the goods are coming from the port to Vinepack. So for us, in terms of breaking the seal, the goods have arrived. Now, the conversation about warehousing had not arisen by the time the goods were released. And I think those are some of the things that are raising red flags, that why didn't then the Vinepack say, by the way, yes, I'm buying, but these goods will not be offloaded on my site.
Na kuona wira wa KRA wathiragira kambuni-ini ya Vinepack magetiganiria cukari ucio moko-ini ma maabitha kamiti ya mwanya iria ya urangiraga, no thutha wa thiku nini riria macokire gwetia igoti ria cukari ucio niguo horo waubukire.
So it is that when we asked that question that somehow all these things came to the fore. So when we asked and we said, okay, goods have been delivered, why hasn't this other element been cleared? And so then it triggered the various questions. So the next thing I knew was a call, us telling me, are you aware the sugar that was delivered in King's Commodities is missing?
Kuringana na KRA, kamiti ya hamwe iria yarangiraga cukari ucio ni yagondereire wira-ini wayo kana igikuruhania na kurekererio gwa cukari ucio riri morotete kambuni ya Vinepack na gukorwo iri gatagati-ini ka mubango uyu wa kurekereria cukari muthuku kuri muingi.
The person carrying the risks and rewards of this product is Vinepack. That one I am clear. The asset cargo you're asking for, and I've just reconfirmed, this is the agent.
Thiku nini hituku mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni arugamirie wira maabitha 27 kuma honge itiganite iria ni hamwe na KEBS, KRA, DCI na borithi makirikana niyo makuruhanirio na kuura gwa cukari ucio tani imwe. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muhura Wagunya.